This is some of the work done during the past year by 200 students from the University of Adelaide's School of Mechanical Engineering. They may be projects and ideas at this stage, but students' creations often lead to real breakthroughs in product design.
This is very impressive. It looks like a hovercraft. What's its purpose?
Well, this is a hovercraft and it's used for mine detection.
Explain to me how it works.
Well, basically what it has is two metal detectors in the front of the hovercraft, and as they go over a mine, they detect it, and yeah, that's how it works.
And how's it been running?
It's been running pretty good. Working it autonomously is a bit of an issue, but remote controlled, it's working fine.
What's it like being part of a project that's so huge?
It's a lot of work. It's very stressful, very little sleep, but it's pretty rewarding seeing something that you thought of, finally being built.
And we might see something like this out in the field in the future.
Absolutely. That was the aim of this project, to develop a vehicle which could actually be used out in the field to detect landmines.
This invention completely eliminates the need for a human operator. With over 100 million landmines currently undetected, it could save many lives in the future. These fourth-year uni students are combining all the knowledge they've learned so far in their degree to complete this mammoth assignment. Most have spent around 1,500 hours perfecting their project.
This is an unmanned aerial vehicle designed for search and rescue purposes. It's designed to do anything you'd normally need a plane and a pilot for, so traffic monitoring, bushfire monitoring, even shark spotting, things like that. So those are quite expensive having an aircraft in the air, so this makes it a lot cheaper.
How long can it last up in the air for?
It can stay up in the air for an hour, and it has a top speed of 120 kilometres per hour, so it can fly decently fast. The cruise speed is 80 kilometres, which theoretically gives it a range of about 80 kilometres.
Wow, so what are your test runs involved?
Well, we test each part of the aircraft individually. So the first test was just a test to make sure the wings work and everything, and the plane flew properly. We then test the camera system and the autopilot individually, and it's been working quite well so far. We're pretty happy with the results, and we've met all our project objectives so far. So.
Do you mind spending so much time on an assignment?
Well, it is a lot of work. Most of our other assignments tend to take a back seat because we really enjoy working on it. So it is a lot of work, but it's very rewarding work.
Well, that's the main thing.
While that team works around the clock to get their project up in the air, these guys are working to get theirs operating on ground, but upside down.
Now, what do we have here?
What we've got here, Tess, is an electric dial, which we've called Edward, standing for electric dial with automatic rotation damping. Basically, you've got two outer wheels, an inner frame where the person's seated, and two DC electric motors which are driving these small black drive wheels down here. The main idea is that we're applying active control to the system using a microcontroller, a small computer, and sensors on the dial which measure what's happening.
Awesome. And the purpose?
Novelty and fun is what we set out to do.
I like it.
And we've achieved it.
Is it right that a driver can ride in it upside down?
That is right. You can swing it back, rock it back and forth, swing it up like a swing set, get it up there, keep it up there, and drive around upside down.
All while controlling yourself. That is so cool.
What do you want to have a go, Tess?
Really?
Yeah, you can
Take it next door.
Okay, cool. Awesome.
While I recover from that crazy ride, let's have another look at the displays and see who gets the TW Award for Favourite Project.
Where do I start? We need to talk to some people. Savvy, stick mic. Excuse me, would you be able to sell me your project in 10 seconds?
Absolutely. It's an electric racing motorcycle. It uses sustainable energy, and it's going to be running first one in Australia, and it uses new battery chemistry to maintain high speeds.
Hey, you've got 10 seconds, sell me your project, go for it.
Well, I'm testing the vibrations of snowboards so their performance can be enhanced for varying snow conditions.
Sounds cool. Wow, there are so many cool projects here. I just don't know which one to choose.
Just choose here.
Maybe I should have mentioned there's no prize. Coming.